नमस्कार. आज आम्ही हांगा उपस्थित आसा आयनॉक्स कोर्टयार्डाच्या भायर आनी हांगा एनिमल असिस्टंट रेस्क्यू गोवा हांच्या वतीन पेट एडॉप्शन कॅम्प ऑर्गनायज केल्लो आसा. जायती सुण्याचे पेटे माजरांची पिलां हांगा एडॉप्शनाक दवरिल्लीं आसा आनी आमच्या बरोबर आसा एनिमल रेस्क्यू गोवाचे पुष्कराज मराठे आनी निकोल. ही दोगांय जाणां जी आसा ती एनिमल असिस्टंट रेस्क्यू गोवा खातीर वावर करतात. ह्या पेट एडॉप्शन कॅम्पा बद्दल आमी तांच्या कडल्यान अदीक जाणून घेवया. निकोल, बेसिकली फॉर हाऊ मेनी डेज दिस pet adoption camp?
Just 2 days, today and tomorrow. So basically, we've been doing these camps from 2018, and this is our founding team.
Okay.
Sanchita Banerjee Rodriguez is a trustee of PAWS, and she has been our number one supporter all these years that we've been having camps. We've always done it together.
Okay.
Yeah, so yeah, this next 2 days from 5 to 9 o'clock.
ओके. पुष्कराज, बेसिकली अशा पद्दतीचे पेट एडॉप्शन कॅम्प्स तुम्ही ऑर्गनायज करता. सो कितें तुमकां दिसून येता ह्या बाबतीन? वॉट मेसेज यू वूड लायक टू गिव पीपल?
आता तुम्ही पळयता खुबशे कुत्री मांजरी रस्त्यार आसता, तांकां शेल्टर नासता, फूड नासता, गरम आसता, केन्ना पावस आसता. सो तांकां कितें तरी एक करूंक जाय, म्हटल्यार एक शेल्टर. आतां शेल्टर आसा आमचे कडेन, पण आमी कितें करता, रेस्क्यूईंग. केन्ना केन्ना एक्सिडंट जाता, केन्ना केन्ना कॅट इज स्टक ऑन द ट्री ऑर ऑन द वेल एंड ऑल. ते आमी चड करून रेस्क्यू टीम अशी फ्रॉम लास्ट 7 to 8 years आम्ही चालू केलेली आसा. पण वी ऑल्सो रिक्वायर येट to get a small shelter land privately where we can do medical support, we can do a lot of more things. So that will be coming in coming maybe maximum by 2025.
सो लोकांनी हे पेट्स अडॉप्ट करचे ह्या खातीर तुमी कितें हें करपाक सोदता की कित्या खातीर अडॉप्ट करचे?
पळयात, फर्स्ट लोक ब्रिडा खातीर वयता. ओके, हे जे आसता मातशे आमचे रस्त्यार, दे आर मोर टफर देन हेल्थ वायज. दे आर मोर स्ट्रॉंग एबिलिटी. तुमकां एक वॅक्सिनेशन, नॉर्मल वॅक्सिनेशन्स आसता इयरली, ते केल्यार जाल्यार इट इज अ व्हेरी 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 गूड पेट. सेकेंडली, तांकां एक घर जाता. रस्त्यार ती एक 14 to 15 years काडचे पयलीं परस ते घरान आसता ते बरें आसता. तांकां एक फॅमिली मेळटा, तांकां एक सपोर्ट मेळटा. वॅक्सिनेशन आतां तुमी जर अडॉप्ट करता जाल्यार पॉज आसा आनी खुबशे ऑर्गनायजेशन आसा वीच दे गिव अ फ्री वॅक्सिनेशन सेटअप, फ्री स्टरलायझेशन प्रोसेस, एवरीथींग. स्टरलायझेशन इज व्हेरी व्हेरी इम्पॉर्टंट. तर like this we want people to adopt more so we can make this country without stray animals. All strays will be happy in their homes. We'll have an owner whom the love bond will be there, because you see a dog and someone takes a breed dog, that dog also must be feeling something,
The love and affection which
that
they
this
get.
dog has a home, he has someone to comb. He doesn't have food also. He must be hungry for about 4 to 5 days. But that's feeling, how humans feel, the same way the animals feel.
So Sanchita ma'am, what you would like to say about
My
PAWS?
dream is a day might come that we have to stop all the adoption camps because there'll be no dogs on the roads. That's my dream, for which I appeal to people, come forward and sterilize your animals, be it home animal, be it breed animal, be it indies. Come forward, let's sterilize.
And some people, they have too much of hatred towards animals. What message you would like to give them?
Love conquers, isn't it? I mean, okay, there is a dog who's perhaps a little more violent. Carry some biscuits, make friends. When you join a new job or a new organization, don't you have that apprehension, oh, what people will think of me, what will happen? Same way with a dog. Just make friends. Just make friends.
And this kind of camps, what would you like to say about this kind of camps?
These camps are much needed. I hope every town, every village in their panchayat homes comes together and does these camps. By adopting a dog, I don't mean take the dog and put the dog on your bed. No. Staircase is okay if you have a compound, fantastic. Your building can adopt the local strays there. They are happy sleeping under your staircase. I mean, every dog should have a human, isn't it? And look at it this way. For example, you might have 3 dogs around your house. You might have 2 dogs on your way. You might have 3 dogs around your office. So look, you have adopted 7. So all of us adopt so much. Imagine there won't be any dog without a human.
Thank you so much. And what are the criteria which you have kept for this adoption?
So I asked for minimum that the dog is fostered by a home for at least 2 weeks. In some situations, a week, but I asked them not to vaccinate right before camp because we've had cases where they've been vaccinated and they've picked up an infection, and it gets, even when they're vaccinated, they need that little time to adjust to it. So when they're brought here, some have come with infections and they've fallen sick. So we try to avoid all that happening. So we asked them not to be vaccinated the week before camp, not to be dewormed the week before camp. Everything has to be done at least 10 days prior to that. And that they're being fed well, they're healthy, they are bathed, they don't have fleas, and that's all. It's just that we want to give healthy puppies so that that the homes that get them they're happy getting those healthy puppies and they have no problems. So that's the least that we can do from our side.
Okay. So around कितली kittens आणि puppies हांगा adoptionाक आसा?
Sadhya we have around 25 animals totals. I think around 17 are kittens. The rest are the puppies.
So we run a very strong, closely knit WhatsApp group for rescue WhatsApp. Okay. So suddenly out of the blue, Nicole says, we have to have a puppy camp. So there's another volunteer in the group who said, okay, where? Next reply is, how about Inox? Somebody said, I'll speak to CEO of Inox. Then somebody says, who will bring the tent? Somebody says, I will get the tents. No, we need fans. Okay, fans will be arranged. And here we are. The camp is ready.
ह्या एडॉप्शन कॅम्पा भितर एनिमल एसिस्टंट रेस्क्यूक सपोर्ट करपी पणजेचे पॉज आसा, तशेंच मिशन रेबीज. हांगा जायते सुणे जे एडॉप्शनाक दवरिल्ले आसा, तातूंतले कांय सुणे मिशन रेबीजाचे जावन आसात. मिशन रेबीजान जायते सुणे हांगा दवरिल्ले आसा, ते भायर तांचें वॅक्सिनेशनूय हांगा चालू आसा. सो आमच्या बरोबर मिशन रेबीजाचे व्हॉलंटियर्स मिशन रेबीजाचे हांगा उपस्थित आसा. तांचे कडल्यान अदीक म्हायती जाणून घेवया.
म्हजें नांव विरेंद्र शुक्ला आनी हांव एज्युकेशन ऑफिसर म्हणून काम करता. तर मिशन रेबीज ही संस्था आसा, ही खूब म्हणल्यार 2012 ही स्थापना जाल्ली. आनी मिशन रेबीज हे संस्थे खातीर गोवा जो आसा आमचो आयज रेबीज कंट्रोल्ड आसा. आनी रेबीजाचे केसीस गोंयान आमच्या खूब कमी आसा. कित्याक आमी मेन 4 पिलराचेर काम करता. मेन म्हणल्यार फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल व्हेरी इम्पॉर्टंट आमी एज्युकेशन अवेरनेस हेजेर आमी काम करता. सो आमी कितें करता, प्रत्येक स्कुलांनी वचोन आमी रेबीज अवेरनेस सेशन घेतात. तेज्या प्रमाणे तशेंच आमी जे लोक फिल्डार काम करता, लायक द वल्नरेबल पीपल कोण आसा, लायक लेबरर्स, वर्कर्स, तांकां रेबीजाचेंच कांयच खबर ना, तांकां वचोन आमी नॉलेज दिता. सो आमी बेजिकली एनिमल वेलफेअर हेजे बद्दल आमी अवेरनेस क्रिएट करता. तर हांव तुमकां सगळ्यांक रिक्वेस्ट करपाक सोदता, एनिमल्सांक एक आमचे सोसायटीचो एक पार्ट म्हणून समजयात. कित्याक एनिमल आमचे सोसायटी खातीर इज व्हेरी इम्पॉर्टंट. आनी एनिमल्सांक तुमी हर्ट करनाकात, स्पेशली तांकां फातर म्हणा खंयचेय वस्त तुमी मारनाकात. आनी स्पेशली जेन्ना कुत्रो तुमच्या लागीं येता, तुमी कुत्र्याच्या मुखार धांवनाकात. कुत्रो इवन तुमी व्हेहिकलार आसता, गाडयेर आसता, गाडी सुद्दां तुमी जेन्ना कुत्रो तुमच्या लागीं येता, गाडी तुमी स्लो डावन करा, सो दॅट 95% कुत्रो जो आसा तो स्टॉप जाता, थंड जाता. सो त्या प्रमाणे तुमी सुद्दां फास्ट गाडी चलयनाका, कुत्र्या मुखार धांवनाका. आनी आजकाल कुत्र्याचे खातीर रॅपीड एक्सिडंट्स खूब वाडल्यात. सो आनी हे एक्सिडंटान केसीस एनिमल्सांक खूब त्रास जातात. आनी खुबशे एनिमल्सांक आमी स्वता रेस्क्यू सुद्दां करता. एनिमल्सांक आमी पयल्या कुत्रे माजरांक एक्सिडंटल आमचे कडेन येतात आनी खूब तांची परिस्थिती खूब बिकट आसता. तर तुमचे कडेन हीच रिक्वेस्ट आसा, जेन्नाय एनिमल्सांक कितेंय हर्ट जालें, एक तांकां एक मनांतल्यान एक इमोशन्स फिलिंग्स हाडात की दे आर ऑल्सो द पार्ट ऑफ सोसायटी आणि तेंचे बद्दल मातशी विचार करात आणि खंयच तुमच्या लागीं खंय समज ऑपरेशन कितेंय तेंचे बद्दल तांकां ट्रिटमेंट जाय जाल्यार सुद्दां तुमी तांकां व्हरपाक शकता. तशेंच आमची एक सेकंड मेन पिलर आसा दॅट इज द सर्विलन्स. आमचो एक हॉटलायन कार्ड आसा आनी ह्या हॉटलायन कार्डाचेर आमचो एक नंबर आसा. सो हे नंबर आमचो 7744029586 हो आमचो रेबीज हॉटलायन नंबर आसा. केन्नाय खंयचेय पिसाळलेलो कुत्रो तुमच्या एरियेन समज दिसलो जाल्यार तुमी मुद्दामून ह्या नंबराचेर फोन करपाक शकता. आमची टीम तुमी समज त्या लोकेशन आमकां जर सेंड केलें जाल्यार आमी रोखडीच त्या लोकेशनाचेर येवन आमी कुत्र्याक व्हरपाक शकता. आनी समज कुत्र्यांक कसलोच एक्सिडंट जाला, कुत्र्यांक समज ट्रिटमेंट जाय जाल्यार सुद्दां आमी त्या कुत्र्यांक थंय येवन पिक करून तांचे आमी ट्रिटमेंट सुद्दां करपाक शकता. अगेन कसलीच तुमकां एडवायस सुद्दां जाय रेबीज संबंदी जाल्यार सुद्दां तुमी हो 24/7 आमचो हॉटलायन नंबर आसा, तुमी हेजेर आमकां केन्नाय कॉल करपाक शकता. सो सेकंडली आमची थर्ड मेन पिलर आसा दॅट इज स्टरलायझेशन आनी वॅक्सिनेशन.
म्हजें नांव किनन आसा. आय एम here at the adoption camp with our staff for vaccinating puppies that are here. This is here आमचे वॅक्सिनेशन बॉक्स आसा. भितर हे आमचे वॅक्सीन वायल आसा. सो this vial contains 10 dose and that's 1 ml each. 1 ml is 1 dose. So कितले पपीज आसा हांगा तेका वॅक्सीन करूंक जाय हांगा. सो आमच्या लागीं दोन पपीज ऑलरेडी आसा. We are looking for adopters. We are looking for homes for them. ये 2 puppies आमी रेस्क्यू केले आणि they are at our accommodation where our teams are staying. We are taking care of them. They are under our Mission Rabies care. So आता ये adoption campan आमी ये puppies लायले हा. So they are looking for a loving home. So if there are any homes, the message can be spread to contact Mission Rabies for these 2 puppies.
या अडॉप्शन कॅम्पाबद्दल जायते लोकांनी हांगा भेट दिल्या. खुबशे लोक जे एनिमल लवर्स आसा जांकां कुत्रे किंवा माजरां आपल्या घरा अडॉप्ट करून व्हरपाचे आसा अशे जायते लोक हांगा आयले. आनी ह्या कॅम्पाचे सक्सेसफूल उदाहरण म्हणल्यार आमचे बरोबर आसा एक अशी फॅमिली जी हो कॅम्प हांगा सुरू जावपाच्या पयलींच हांगा येवन उपस्थित राविल्ली अशें ऑर्गनायझरांनी आमकां सांगलां. आनी भोव उमेदीन तांणी एक कुत्रो जो लोकल ब्रीड आसा हो लोकल ब्रीड कुत्रो तांणी हांगा अडॉप्ट केल्लो आसा. सो आमी तांचे कडेन उलोवया आनी मुद्दामून जाणून घेवया की तांकां कशें फिलींग येता ह्या टायमार. वॉट वॉज युअर बेजीक मोटीव टू कम ऑन?
I just need a puppy because my sisters and all are gone, right? So I wanted someone
He's all alone
to play.
now.
All alone.
So he wanted a companion.
Okay.
So he was just after puppies. Whenever he sees on the street and all, he'll take me and say, "See this puppy I want," and all. So I used to say, "No, I don't know who's there. No, we cannot just take of anyone." So now when his sister sent it, that ad of yours. So that is how past 4 days he's after me, come, we'll go, and he brought me out at 3 o'clock only.
Okay.
So we'll be the first, he said.
Okay, so you are the first family to adopt the puppy of this camp. Okay, and was it a basic criteria that you wanted indie local puppy only?
Yeah, local only.
Okay.
Local only. These are very cute.
Okay. So, what message would you like to give the people, others who want to adopt breed dogs? So, what message you would like to give them?
They could adopt one at least a dog on the street who are there, who have no food to eat, nothing to drink and all. Sometimes they are starving on the road. No?
So, they'll get a home.
Everyone, yeah, they'll get a home and a family too.
Okay.
Yeah.
So, you're happy after adopting this puppy?
Yes, very much.
See how he's holding. He doesn't want to put
Okay.
it down.
Glance, he has seen him and he's adopted.
Okay. So, from where you are the foster of this puppy. So, from where you came across
from
this?
Timbel, so I normally some people just leave them there, so I make it a point to foster them there itself. So that's how I got to know him.
Where you found this puppy?
near my place only. He was just outside my house, so somebody had left him here. So I just adopted him and started feeding him. That's how I. So I didn't want him to be on the road, so I thought I'll bring him.
Okay, so he was dumped by somebody.
Yes, yes. So I'm not too sure how old is he, but maybe 2-3 months.
Okay.
So I'm not too sure. But I do all this to adopt them. I take a decision to adopt them.
Okay. So you're happy that your puppy has got
Yes, definitely. I'm so happy. But I'm going to miss him.
Yeah. So you have more dogs around?
Yes, a lot. A lot of them just been thrown that side. You know, from all the Chimbal area, they just come and they just drop them there. So I have a few of them, which I foster later on.
Okay, so you're planning to give them for adoption?
Yes, yes. I'll feed them and I'll send them for adoption.
One by one. Come. One. Why are people scared of stray animals? Look at this. Not that I know the dog. Somebody hit your leg. I don't know these dogs. Look at the discipline. Look at the discipline. And I've never met these dogs before in my life. Come, Baba, take. Shoo, cuckoo. Scared of you. Look at this. This is called discipline. Will humans exhibit this behavior if you're giving something free? Tell me.
Cats and also puppies. I like animals.
Okay.
Yeah.
की कशें कळ्ळें तुमकां हांगा अडॉप्शन कॅम्प आसा म्हणून आनी तुमी
Mobile on Facebook.
सो कशें कितें चूज केलें?
Color I like the color. Color बरे दिसलो.
सो तूं लोकांक कितें सांगपाक सोदता?
जानवरांक अडॉप्ट करून तेगे हे सोडूंक पावना.
सो तूं खुश आसा?
Yeah.
What made you adopt a dog? Like,
I already
what
have.
is the story behind
So
it?
I have a dog in Calcutta already, and when I moved to Goa, I felt like I wanted to have a dog here as well. So I visited AFA, and I instantly connected with this one particular indie dog, and his name was Tommy. And then within a week, I just decided, and it all happened, and he's been with me now for 1.5 months.
So you're happy after adopting?
Yeah, of course.
Okay, so what message you would like to give others?
I would say, firstly, stop buying dogs from breeders. That's the first thing. And secondly, we have so many dogs all around, so just pick those up first.
We'll get a home.
Yeah, definitely.
So here we are at our adoption camp. आम्ही हो adoption camp करतात at least म्हणजे once a year so that हे जे animals असतात म्हणजे small puppies, kittens sometimes ते तितले ल्हान नसता हर्ट जाता तरी तांकां होम्स मेळना सो असलो जेन्ना आमी कॅम्प करता तेन्ना तांकां घरां मेळटा आनी हांगा व्हडले कुत्रे आसतात एक एकदां जे घरां जांकां मेळना आनी माय रिक्वेस्ट एक्चुली थ्रू दीस इज आमच्या गव्हर्मेंटान वी आर हॅविंग सो मेनी स्टेट ऑफ द आर्ट हॉस्पिटल्स फॉर ह्युमन्स दीज आर ऑल्सो अवर सिटिझन्स ऑफ आर कंट्री अँड our state. So the government should do something for them, maybe have a 24/7 hospital which is very much wanted, because just 2 days back we had an accident case late in the night, not very late, 10 o'clock, but आमकां खंयच जागो नाशिल्लो. There were people जे रेडी आशिल्ले तांकां हेल्प करपाक पूण तांकां खंयच्या वेटा कडेन व्हरतले. सो वी नीड medical backup, medicine backup, doctors backup 24/7. We need ambulances जे आमकां खूब वर्सां जाले गव्हर्मेंट प्रॉमीस करता. Maybe because these animals तांकां vote ना, so I think because of that this issue is neglected. So my request to the government is these are also our citizens, and if not them we have votes, so at least to appease us एक तरी गोवा इज स्मॉल, सो 1-2 तरी अशी हॉस्पिटल्स क्लिनिक्स आसची जंय 24/7 we get medical care for these four-legged citizens of our country, and ambulances last म्हाका दिसता 4-5 वर्सां जाले हांव आयकता की गव्हर्मेंट इज गिवींग अस ambulances, बट अजून तरी कांय ना. एक हेल्पलायन to which we can call. So it is always after hours, then after 6 o'clock, after 7 o'clock. As we know, that is the time when most accidents occur, and that is the time we can't, though there are people who are ready to help those animals, we have no place to take them to. So my request to the government is to have maybe a hospital in both the North Goa, South Goa constituencies, where we can take these animals to, at least in time of need, at night it should be run.
जायते फावट अशे एडॉप्शन कॅम्प गोंयच्या वेगवेगळ्या भागांनी जाता, पूण असो एक दीस येवपाक जाय की ज्या दिसा हे एडॉप्शन कॅम्प घेवपाची आमकां गरजूच पडची ना. त्या खातीर एक जबाबदार नागरीक म्हणून आमची प्रत्येकाची जबाबदारी आसा की आमच्या घरान जी जनावरां आमी पोसतात तांचें आमी ऑपरेशन करचें, स्टॅरिलायझेशन करचें, आनी जी भुरगीं किंवा जी पिलां आमचे सुणी किंवा माजरां काडटात तांकां रस्त्यार आमी सोडून दिवची न्हय. तांकां रस्त्यार आमी सोडून दिली काय ती आनीक रिप्रोड्यूस जातात किंवा रस्त्यार एक्सिडेंट जाता, गाडये पोंदां येता, मरतात. सो अशा वेळार म्हाका दिसता की प्रत्येकान एक जबाबदार नागरीक ह्या नात्यान अशा तरेच्या एडॉप्शन कॅम्पांतल्यान जनावरां घरा व्हरची, तांचें स्टॅरिलायझेशन करचें, तांकां मोग दिवचो, आपुलकी दिवची. तशेंच रस्त्यार जी सुणी माजरां आसात तांकां आमी तांची काळजी घेवची. खंय तरी आमी एकामेकाक मोग करचो. जसो म्हाका दिसता की खंय तरी मोग केलो जाल्यार खंय तरी आमकां जायते फावट अशा पद्दतीचे रस्त्या वयली जनावरांची संख्या जी आसा ती कमी जावपाक मदत जातली.